Very interesting technique for large PV farms. Let's look at the picture on the right. It's modularic, so it's short time installation. Again, there is underground concrete cubes as bases to hold the system down together. Simple angle variations. We can use these micro adjustments to change the slope of the entire structure. The material is from a non-rusted type. That structure is going to be out there for 30 years. The distance between the rows and the distance between the columns should match, and they are engineered to match, panel sizes or several panel sizes. Let's say two panel widths or 3 panel widths, but their multiplication of. If we design the system properly, laying the panels and holding them is a very, very easy task and very strong mechanically. This is an example of mounting technique, structure, which is not preferred in general. Some cases yes, but in general no. There is a risk of vibration. Notice in this picture the 2 posts, one on the left and one on the right. The one on the right we cannot see because the panels coming in front, but we understand that there are 2 main posts, and on these posts there is a structure and the panels are on the structure. That means that there is a sail that can vibrate. This is why that particular array is right next to a wall. This wall blocks winds coming from the back. And this wall creates another thing. It limits the heat pocket and allows air flowing through a tunnel. It's a very well-defined tunnel. Once I define a tunnel, I basically define the wind speed that goes underneath. So it's more or less fixed air pressure under the tunnel, in the tunnel, under the panels. So winds coming from the front, no wind coming from the back, more or less, plus minus, fixed wind flowing through the tunnel, under the panels, creating more or less fixed difference between the air pressure on top and the air pressure in the back of the panels. Somewhat provide a semi-solution to vibrations. But in general, it's very hard to overcome vibrations when it comes to a structure like this. So a structure like this can be very applicable to areas that have no winds or low level of winds. In a windy area, we will not do that.